Hi guys!
Oh,
Today we're unboxing everything from the bag.
yes.
Chucky!
From... That's your Christmas present.
Yes, I really like that.
This one is for Nanay.
Where's this one?
See this? It's pretty, guys. Okay, you... One by one. What is that?
You read it like it's a different
Storybook about...
bunny.
Yes, a stamp dress. Next. Next, Jess. Next is the Fun Story Graffiti book. Next, what is that?
Toothbrush book.
Yes, the story about toothbrush. Next. You happy?
Yeah.
Next is Jack and the Beanstalk. Put it here. We'll read that book. Next.
Chucky.
Oh, you have Chucky. Next. Oh, it's a cheese candy. Oh, what is this?
Oh, you got Pinkie Pie.
Oh, that's Pinkie Pie.
That's because it had curly hair.
Wow, you like this?
Yes, because it had Pinkie Pie. What is it?
Oh, put it here.
My little.
Next. Next is...
Insects.
Correct.
This kind of insect. Look at that. Farm animals.
Farm animals.
I see browns there. See the Pinkie Pie one.
Next.
This one.
What is this?
I don't know.
We'll play this one later. Nana is so good playing Jackstone.
Jackson.
Yes.
Oh, they got a pretty dress.
Oh, you do like this?
What is
Nana picked this for you. Do you like that if it's nice?
It's nice.
It's nice. You like it?
Yes. I think that's Pinkie Pie.
Next.
Got this one.
What's that?
Sea creatures.
Yes. The World of Marine.
This. Yeah.
What is that?
ABC.
Yes. ABC nga mag-light-light ni siya, guys. Pag glow in the dark ABCs. What is next?
You just put it in top. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just put it on top.
Next. It's Nanay soap. Oh, that's Nanay also. Oh. This one is chocolate candy. What's that? What are you holding?
Clothes.
Oh, you show the clothes. Look at the design. Do you like it?
Yes.
There's a lot more.
There's a lot more.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, let's open it.
So Ate Jess can only buy. Open. Do like that. Open pa. May Ate Jessa. May Ate Jessa can only buy mga toys if it's her birthday and Christmas, just like today.
Truck.
Are you happy?
Yes, it's a truck.
When you play this at the rooftop, you can put your small toys here. The insects. While you play in the garden, the farm animals.
The farm animals go on sale.
Yes.
We can go out.
Oh, yes. Are you happy with your Christmas presents?
Yes, I put it in top.
Yeah.
There's a lot small.
Wala na. Wala na.
Let's open them.
Wait sa. So, Ate Jessa,
Have Pinkie Pie. I was looking at.
Ate Jessa received 1,000 pesos from her Auntie Ayen, Mommy Ayen, on her birthday last June 29. And Nanay keep the money, and now we buy
This truck.
all of this from her 1,000 pesos. Are you happy?
Yes. Now let's open them.
Yeah, wait.